Hello, and welcome to this video where we're going to discuss the new introduced HTML printing option on the work order. So here we're looking at an air compressor. I've got a 1,000 hour offline PM, and I've got some general notes here. This work order has been completed. Some check boxes have been checked off. I saved one just to show you how it works. But you can actually check these boxes now. If you're not sure how to use this feature, all you got to do is add tasks over here and hit the checkbox. That creates a new box for you. Then you can manipulate the fonts and settings and those things. But for now, what I want to show you is how to print these off in the new HTML format. The way that works is you come up here to print selected work order, and then you'll notice that these say HTML at the end here. If I uncheck this box, it goes back to my regular RTF reporting. Okay, now in order to set this up so that this switches and is using the correct report that you want, you still have to go back to the configuration screen, go to work orders, click on the printed documents right down here. So work orders, printed documents, and here's where you set up what worksheet and completed report you want for the regular RTF reports, which are the first 6 up here. And then down here are your HTML options. Just simply select one, open it up, pick the HTML report, and there you go. So once you've got that configured the way you want it, you come up here and you can print the selected work order in different formats. Let's look at the one without HTML. So we'll pick the completed with service notes, hit preview. There it is. You can see the report there. Okay, so we've got 2 unchecked, and then we also have HTML report. When I hit preview, this is the new HTML report. Okay, so if you have any questions, let us know. You can contact us at expressmaintenance.com, fill out a service ticket, or you can email us at info@expressmaintenance.com. Look forward to serving you.